back to my channel. My name is Cloudy and I'm back with another snazzy video. If you're new to this channel, welcome, and I hope you guys stay and subscribe. And if you are a regular baby, a regular subscriber, thank you for being part of the family. Thank you for spreading the good gospel, you know. Please don't hesitate to comment down below and tell me what you guys think of this video, and also comment down below and tell me what you guys would like to hear from me on this platform. Okay, so without any further ado, let me get straight into the video. So in today's video, I'm just going to try and do a lace frontal tutorial. I am going to make it as easy as possible. I'm going to try and make it as easy as possible. You have to practice, because if you don't practice, you're not gonna get it. You have to practice, and I'm not saying that if you guys watch this video once it's gonna be enough, because we're not pros. But I'm not saying you're not gonna be a pro, because if you watch this channel, we aiming to be pros. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoy and practice, because if you don't, it's gonna be a sticky mess, it's gonna be glue, it's gonna be gel, it's gonna be spherical gel, a whole lot of things. But that's besides the point. I hope you guys enjoy and find this video informative. Okay. So guys, I'm not gonna be wearing a wig cap because mainly I have short hair, so I really don't think that's really necessary. The products that I'm gonna be using is the GOT2B spray and the styling gel. So the first thing that I'm gonna apply is the gel, and I'm just gonna be applying it on the perimeters of my head. Not on your hairline, but just, you know. So you're just gonna apply it, and then you're gonna use a blow dryer. Make sure that it's on cold, it's not hot. This thing stopped recording while I was doing my hair, so on a train smash remove. So one thing I said in the footage that was cut out, I told you guys to start in the middle. Make sure that you place it in the middle. So now the reason why this thing is up now, it's because I want to show you what I mean when I say start in the middle. So as you can see, this side it's already laid. Yeah, I'm gonna touch up on it. So let me show you what I meant by you should start in the middle. So glue, gel, glue, spray. So cool. You're just gonna bring it to the front. Make sure that the side is also here. Okay. Move the hair out of the way. Press it down. And then go to the back of the baby hair. Press it down. The side, you pull it. I think I need gel there. Just here. And then you just pull it. Press on the edges. Make sure you move the hair away. hot air because I wanted to take the hair back, but not close to your hairline. Okay, here I need glue or something. So guys, when you do your baby hair, just take out the hair that's like next to your hairline. Don't take a lot of hair, because now you're gonna have, okay, here I already cut because I once put on this wig. Okay, so many times, let's say once. So weird for me. There are people outside. Okay, the main reason why I use that spray on my hair right now is because I just want to lay the hair back. But if you don't feel comfortable using the spray, you can just put a doek after putting a doek, and then you just take out your hair. Because for me, normally my hair, I only do baby hair up to here. I don't like doing it here. Like, I don't know, I'm just not comfortable. But you're gonna use this glue, right? You're just gonna take a small amount, right? And then for my baby hair, I use edges. I use a toothbrush. Guys, you don't have to be technical. You don't have to buy a toothbrush. It's just enough. So after sectioning the hair, you're just gonna have to cut it. Not a lot, but you understand.
People acting. People acting. People acting.
Oh, so this is what I'm using for my hair. I'm using the Argan Oil. It's really good for my wigs. I've been using it, I don't know since when, but girl's best friend. Okay, so now I'm gonna use a flat iron to put my hair in place, and then I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do to enhance my line. Okay, so I use this. There's no shame in trying like new things. Guys, this iron is older than me. My mom had it when she was still in varsity. She finished varsity, and then now it's passed down to me. Then I'm gonna pass it down to my little cloudy girls or boys. I really want to have children. Not now though. In the future. Since you guys can see that the hairline is like not complete, I am gonna be using this brush and the Essence Camouflage Concealer to complete my hairline. No, to complete my line. What am I saying?
People acting.